Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Discord CAD only way. Sign in, authorize the app, then select the server and widgets you want to show. I'll walk through choosing a template, placing a server widget, and linking social buttons so everything looks cohesive. Follow along at your own pace and test changes live so your CAD updates instantly. Start by creating your CAD and picking a minimal template that highlights links and widgets. Connect Discord through the integration option and grant read access to public server info only. Add a server widget and position it prominently, then add buttons for invite, roles, and social links. Test the widget in preview mode on desktop and mobile to ensure it scales correctly and link targets open as intended. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. They save time so you can focus on building your CAD and managing your server. Check the description for the link and other deals I mentioned, and pick up a set if you want convenience. Now let's get back to the video. Focus on a clean layout with readable fonts and consistent spacing so visitors instantly know what your server offers. Match accent colors to your server branding and use a single highlight color for calls to action. Replace large images with compressed versions and lazy load where possible to keep the site snappy. Finally, test the CAD on phones to confirm buttons are easy to tap and widgets remain readable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.